Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of 4. Tonight we are going to take a ride on the seas with Nemo and friends, so come on along.
Welcome home.
All right, it is extra magic hours right now, so there's nobody here. The queues are empty, which makes it kind of nice. Thank you.
Nemo's swimming out the sea!
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hi, I'm Lori.
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know where. That's why.
Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Yeah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. Can't catch me.
Swim away.
Peekaboo.
Watch out.
Like I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for me.
Stop fooling around.
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Don't worry, morsel, mate. We're your friends.
Welcome to the EAC.
Totally. But everybody's looking for you.
Aw.
When your dad put a fun was whoa! And then he was like, whoa! Now you're here, so like, whoa! And I saw all these jellies in it, and goldfish and sharks. Hey,
Gorgeous offspring. Awesome. Come on, explorers.
it's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay!
Where's the excitement of the dentist's office? Hey, open wide. Have you got any fillings?
All right, that's gonna do it from the seas with Nemo and friends. You know what we like to say. Don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street, party of four.